All right, now we're going to do a review of section 3.2. This is percent increase and decrease. Now what we need to remember for that is we're going to be using our percent proportion, which is part over whole equals percent over 100, right? The only thing is that since we're looking for percent change, the first thing that we do is we look for how much did it change. This particular problem, it went from 36 to 63. Well, what we need to do first is we need to subtract to find out how much it changed. So we're going to do 63 minus 36. And that's going to give me 27. And then, so we're going to kind of make up our own little thing here. We're going to do change. How much it changed is going to be our part. Our whole is how much it was originally. So we're going to go change over original. And then percent over 100. And usually we're looking for the percent, so my X is going to be here. All right, so I have 27 over 36 equals X over 100. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the percent. So then I go ahead and butterfly that baby. Now you have two options. You could reduce this if you'd like. You'll notice that both of these reduce by 9. So then you can change this to be a 3 and then this one to be a 4. And then what we can do is go ahead and butterfly it. It makes our numbers just a little bit easier. So 4 times X would be 4X. 3 times 100 is 300. And then, of course, I would divide by 4. So X would be, looks like 75%, which makes sense because that's 3/4. That's 75%, right? So then this would be 75%. And because this went from 36 to 63, it increased. So we would say that this is a 75% increase. Okay. And then let's look at our next one. This one goes from 50 to 35. So the first thing I would do is I would subtract these, and the difference of 50 and 35 would be 15. Now remember, this is my change. So I go change, use my proportion again, change over the original. So 15 over, it was originally 50, equals X over 100 because I'm looking for the percent. So then once again, I could butterfly this baby, but I could also reduce it. Or if you notice, 50 times 2 would give you 100. So then I can get my top one simply by using the same factor. So 15 times 2 would give me 30. So X would equal 30%. Now this one actually went down. So this would be a 30% decrease. All right. And that's how you find it. Use this formula. Change over original and then percent over 100. This will be your X because you're always looking for the percent change. All right. Bye.